Embark on a journey through England's diverse landscapes and discover its top 20 must-visit sites. Explore ancient landmarks and iconic structures that reveal the depth of England's cultural heritage and historical significance. From imposing castles that stand as testaments to medieval power to serene cathedrals resonating with centuries of spiritual devotion, and bustling cities alive with modern energy against a backdrop of centuries-old architecture, England offers a mosaic of experiences waiting to be explored. 20. Roman Baths. Welcome to the Roman Baths, where history flows like the natural hot springs. Walk in the footsteps of ancient Romans and explore a journey through time. Discover the well-preserved baths, admire the stunning architecture, and learn about the fascinating rituals and mysteries of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. 19. Warwick Castle. Step into a world of medieval grandeur at Warwick Castle, nestled in the heart of Warwickshire. This fortress offers a glimpse into England's rich history. Explore the battlements, visit the Great Hall, and witness thrilling shows that bring knights and battles to life. Prepare to be enchanted by this majestic castle and its beautiful surroundings. 18. Canterbury Cathedral. Welcome to Canterbury Cathedral, a spiritual and architectural masterpiece. As one of the oldest and most famous Christian structures in England, the cathedral draws visitors from around the world. Marvel at its stunning stained glass windows, explore its tranquil cloisters, and discover its connections to literary history. Visit here is a journey through faith, history, and timeless beauty. 17. Windsor Castle. Experience royal splendor at Windsor Castle, the oldest and largest occupied castle in the world. Nestled on the banks of the River Thames, this fortress has been a royal residence for over 900 years. Marvel at the state apartments, wander through St. George's Chapel, and stroll through the beautiful gardens. With its rich history and stunning architecture, Windsor Castle is a must-see for any visitor. 16. St. Paul's Cathedral. Welcome to St. Paul's Cathedral, an iconic symbol of London's skyline. Designed by Sir Christopher Wren, this majestic cathedral has stood as a beacon of hope and resilience through centuries of history. Climb to the top of the dome for breathtaking views of the city. Explore the intricate mosaics and sculptures, and discover the stories of those who shaped this architectural masterpiece. 15. Stonehenge. Journey back in time at Stonehenge, one of the wonders of the ancient world. Located on Salisbury Plain, this prehistoric monument continues to intrigue and inspire visitors. Marvel at the massive stone circle, ponder its purpose, and explore the surrounding landscape. Whether you're drawn by its mystery or its majesty, Stonehenge is a powerful reminder of the past. 14. Blenheim Palace. Step into the opulent world of Blenheim Palace, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture set amidst stunning landscaped gardens. Built as a gift to the Duke of Marlborough, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a celebration of art, history, and natural beauty. Explore the grand staterooms, wander through the tranquil water terraces, and enjoy the serenity of the lakeside paths. 13. Brighton Pier. Welcome to Brighton Pier, where fun and nostalgia meet by the sea. Stretching out into the English Channel, this iconic pier offers entertainment for all ages. Enjoy classic fairground rides, savor traditional fish and chips, and soak in the panoramic views of the coastline. Whether you're seeking thrills or simply a relaxing day at the seaside, Brighton Pier promises an unforgettable experience. 12. Shakespeare's Birthplace. Discover the birthplace of William Shakespeare in the charming town of Stratford-upon-Avon. Step into the world of the world's greatest playwright at his childhood home, where he was born and raised. Explore the rooms where Shakespeare spent his early years, admire the period furnishings, and learn about his life and legacy through interactive exhibits. Visit here is a journey into the heart of literature and history. 11. Tower Bridge. Welcome to Tower Bridge, an iconic symbol of London's engineering prowess and Victorian grandeur. Spanning the River Thames, This marvel of architecture has captivated visitors since its opening in 1894. Walk across the high-level walkways for stunning panoramic views, explore the bridge exhibition to uncover its secrets, and witness the magic of the bascules lifting for passing ships. 10. Tower of London. Step into the Tower of London, where history echoes through ancient walls and tales of intrigue unfold. Built nearly 1,000 years ago, this fortress has served as a royal palace, prison, and treasury. Explore the crown jewels, discover the stories of its famous prisoners, and walk along its battlements for sweeping views of the city. A visit here is a journey through England's tumultuous past. 9. York Minster. Welcome to York Minster, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture and a spiritual heart of the city. Towering over York's medieval streets, this cathedral boasts stunning stained glass windows, intricate stonework, and a history that spans centuries. Climb the central tower for breathtaking views, explore the Undercroft Museum for archaeological treasures, and experience the tranquility of this sacred space. 8. The Shard. Rise above the London skyline at the Shard, Western Europe's tallest building. Enjoy unparalleled views from the observation deck, where the city unfolds beneath you like a living map. Experience the thrill of panoramic vistas stretching for miles, savor delicious cuisine at its restaurants, and feel the pulse of London from its highest viewpoint. The Shard offers a perspective on the city that's truly unmatched. 7. Tate Modern. Explore contemporary art at Tate Modern, located in a former power station along the banks of the River Thames. Discover innovative exhibitions featuring works by modern masters and emerging artists. From surrealism to minimalism, Tate Modern presents a voyage through the evolution of art in a setting as inspiring as the artworks themselves. 6. Chatsworth House. Welcome to Chatsworth House, where elegance meets grandeur in the heart of the Peak District. Home to the Duke and Duchess of Devonshire, this stately home is renowned for its exquisite art collection, stunning gardens, and historic architecture. Explore the opulent staterooms, wander through the cascade fountain and maze-like hedges of the garden, and discover why Chatsworth has inspired artists and visitors for generations. 5. The Eden Project. Step into a world of biodiversity and sustainable living at the Eden Project, nestled in the Cornish countryside. Explore the iconic biomes, where you can journey through different climates and ecosystems from around the world. Learn about the importance of conservation, marvel at the diverse plant life, and enjoy events and exhibitions that celebrate our natural world. The Eden Project is a place where education, entertainment, and environmental stewardship come together. 4. British Museum. Explore the treasures of human history and culture at the British Museum, renowned as one of the world's foremost collections of art and artifacts. From ancient Egyptian mummies to the Rosetta Stone and Parthenon sculptures, experience millennia of history under one roof. Engage with civilizations past and present through the museum's extensive collections and special exhibitions, discovering the fascinating stories behind these invaluable objects. 3. Natural History Museum. Welcome to the Natural History Museum, where the wonders of the natural world come to life. From towering dinosaur skeletons to sparkling gemstones, explore Earth's diversity and evolution through immersive exhibits and interactive displays. Marvel at the iconic Diplodocus skeleton in the Hensey Hall, journey through the Earth's history in the Earth Galleries, and embark on a voyage of discovery that's both educational and awe-inspiring. 2. Westminster Abbey. Step into the pages of history at Westminster Abbey, a living testament to Britain's monarchy, religion, and culture. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has hosted coronations, weddings, and funerals of monarchs and notable figures for over 1,000 years. Marvel at its Gothic architecture, admire the Poets' Corner, and pay tribute to the tombs and memorials of kings, queens, and literary giants. Westminster Abbey is a place where the past and present converge in reverence and splendor. 1. The Houses of Parliament and Big Ben. Welcome to the Houses of Parliament and Big Ben, the iconic symbols of British democracy and history. Marvel at the grandeur of the Palace of Westminster, where laws are debated and decisions that shape the nation are made. Here the chimes of Big Ben resonate across London, marking time with its timeless melody. Whether admiring the Gothic architecture or exploring the chambers of power, a visit here is a journey through the heart of British governance and tradition. That concludes our exploration of England's top 20 must-visit destinations. From historic castles to majestic cathedrals, picturesque gardens to cutting-edge museums, England offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to every traveler's interests. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite places to visit in England? Share your experiences.